Well, from my perspective, the key takeaways from today's conference, the first day of the event, has definitely been one of success. The European market is 10 years old, as you say. There have been some fantastic successes around Europe in terms of biosimilar uptake, but there still remains a lot of challenges in the future. I think one of the things that's been very strongly communicated today is a sense of urgency around education and communicating the benefits of biosimilars to key stakeholders. There is a real sense of optimism for the future about what biosimilars can do in terms of saving health systems money and also improving access to patients. And the other thing, there has been a very strong move away from the regulatory debate. The regulatory situation in Europe seems to be fixed now. Apart from a few tweaks here and there, the European Medicines Agency's pathway for biosimilars is world renowned and globally respected. So I think the conversation now, particularly in Europe, is about commercialisation and monetisation of investments. And I think that's where a lot of the focus now needs to be in terms of being able to drive biosimilars and improve access to patients in the future. Education. There definitely is a need for better education, better platforms, a more consistent message. The other one is optimism. There's a definite sense of a job well done but not quite finished. There's more needs to be done. There are future challenges, particularly in the oncology space, which I believe will provide a more sterner challenge to both the regulators and the commercial organisations. And the third word would be commercialisation. It's all about monetising those investments now. It's all about growing the market. It's all about taking the biosimilars market to the next level. And as I've said, it's all about improving access to patients and lowering costs.